Okay, so we're going into the Parasite Caves. Let's go. Yeah, it films with the flash on.
Yeah, I don't think this would have been good for now.
I think that is the easiest I've ever gotten in here.
Okay, light the way.
So, we're in here. You can't really see, even with the flash.
Let's go to this side, Michaela.
Okay. So as you can see, there's all the sides. This thing's huge. You can see.
Look at them sparkles.
There's salamanders up there?
They're big salamanders, so thick.
Are you sure they're not mini crocodiles? Well then
You
let's
got one?
let's
Be careful coming down, or you're going to get hurt.
come on.
Come on with that salamander. I want to see that baby.
I have a spotted one and hidden stripe. Tail's out of my pocket.
Yeah.
Okay.
Take it out. I want to see it.
Come on.
Is it alive?
That's a mud puppy.
Is it poisonous?
No.
Good. Looks like a Shrek. Name it Shrek. Okay. I got one. I just officially named it Shrek.
Okay, hang on to it a minute. I'm going to try to get a picture of it. Hold still.
I got a spotted one.
Come here with it, man. Why?
It's a small one.
Oh, it's cute. Those are super cool. Let's get out.
This to Brian and Darcy.
Yeah, let's get out and show everybody.
Yeah, I'm gonna take mine. Who wants to turn around? Because I wouldn't dare climb that.
Okay,
I'm not climbing that. I'm going back up.
I'm going out with you.
Spencer doesn't know.
Yeah, he knows. Little Spencer knows. Spencer's pretty sure.
Dad, you don't have to defend him. He can't hear you. Okay. And at last I see the light. I'm sorry. See, there's like a hole. I don't think the Boy Scouts will be happy with us.
What? You don't want to
We are